Welcome to 4 Minute Book Review. Today I'm going to talk about the book Tara Westover's Educated. So, this book is basically highly rated on Goodreads, and I've seen a lot of people under nonfiction recommending this book. So, I thought why not pick up this book and give a review. So, this book is basically about Tara Westover's her experiences and her life and how she has been very far from formal education. So, giving a bit of introduction about this, Tara Westover has not entered a classroom or had any formal education until she was 17. So, she was with her family, and their family was highly unconventional, and they did not allow her to study or just she was educated or what you call she was taught all at home, like whatever math science she little knew. And reading the book, it's around 286 pages, in fact around 300, if I'm not wrong, or more than 300, because since I've read it a while ago. So this book is also long, but it's more there are parts where it is interesting, and there are parts which might be like, oh man, I can skip this part. And coming to non-fiction books, you don't know which part to skip. That's the hardest part, I feel. But for this book, Educated by Tara Westover, it deals with mainly certain aspects of Tara Westover being a woman, or how she has grown up with all that. Her father had bipolar disorder, which was acknowledged later by her mother. She had to deal with abuse when she was a child from her brother who was violent at her, and she ran away from her house, and she started to study and educate herself. And being or educating yourself is most important part of today's society. Though you always look for opportunities to get yourself educated, and education is one of the major parts, or major important function as an individual for you, for the society. So I believe in that, and education is one of that very important things. You have to educate yourself to understand the intricacies of the society, and also not just the society, but also about how to gain perspective, and to gain about knowing the opinions of other people, and understanding and certain ways, how to deal with life, and also about science and other education, higher education or career, whatever you want to. So this book more talks about different issues, other than first of all it talks about importance of education, but also it talks about other how sensitive people are towards abuse and what effect it has. And she had multiple violent accidents, her father being very strict with her, not allowing her to study, and they did not even have proper medication if they had to. Her mother was a midwife, delivering babies and helping others deliver babies, in fact. So this is book which talks about various other aspects other than the education, which is the most important part, and also about certain different aspects of Tara Westover's life, and how much she missed education, and parents not being very supportive to her. All these odds she came against, she came up against, and overcome all these odds of her life, and finally she was able to write this book, and how important it for her, and to understand and give us a perspective from her life. So this is a really good book from a non-fiction, but there are, of course, there are pros and cons of a book. This is probably there are skippable parts. And I also was reading certain reviews, and people felt like, okay, like there are other aspects where, Tara Westover's family was really, because she had multiple accidents, they were, not very responsible, and they were, they could not take care of themselves properly, or they did not pay attention much to their kids. And understanding from Tara Westover, they did not have a point. So all these like different things, when I was reading, people why they did not like a book also. So probably, you will have an opinion also while you read this book. There are parts you'll like it, and there are parts you'll not like it. But definitely worth a try if you're really into nonfiction, and also understanding what education is for people who don't have it. So yeah, that's one idea, put put forward in this book. So I hope you really enjoy this book, and uh, hope you like this video, and like, share, and subscribe. And coming up with another Telugu video, but it's nearby. I mean, I will post it next week, but it's already done, so I will post it. But for now, no educated book for your. You should add it to your TBR and see what you can feel about this book, and let me know what you feel about this book. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.